Yo, what's good, guys? Today is December 1st, 2025. Today is the first day of November. As you guys probably know, some of you guys, December is considered the worst price action month of the year. As big companies, those big companies that bring volatility and volume to the market, are not getting too greedy with their positions, as it's the end of the year and they want to end the year completely safe and risk free. So that's why December is considered a worst month of price action in terms of price action. So I mean that is going to affect like the second half of the month. I mean the first half is it should be good. So as you guys can see here, we close the monthly candle rejecting from this monthly fair value gap. So as you can see, we are now in a buy model in the higher time frame, targeting all-time highs. So as you can see, we are almost closing above this daily fair value gap. So you can see here, let me see if Nasdaq did close up. I mean, we didn't, but I mean, we practically ended up closing above. So I'm still super bullish in the higher time frame. So you can see ES is super close to those targets. So what happened? We ended up selling from the day open. As you can see here, we ended up selling to that daily fair value gap. So as you can see, we ended up tapping this order block in here inside that daily fair value gap. So as you can see, if you go to market open here, we had these pretty equal hikes from Asia and London session, which is a super strong growing liquidity. As you can see here, market open ended up manipulating pre-market lows, making an SMT with the S&P 500, as you can see here. So we made that SMT and we just rip from there. I mean, there's no entry for me in that gap. As you can see, I mean, there's 3-minute inverse fair value gap. As you can see, if you want to enter that fair value gap, I mean, there's no stopping here. Look at that risk reward, so there's no entering here. So as you can see, we ended up making that first move to the upside. Now we have this protected low of the day. I mean, no, from the AM session, sorry. So if we are going to go bullish for the rest of the day, I want to see this low getting protected and respected. So as you can see, what happened? We ended up edging this 13-minute fair value gap we had in here. As you can see, we made this accumulation in here, then we made that manipulation, trading back inside the range, considering that a fake out for people that think that we are going to continue lower and grab this sort of low in here. But as you can see, we are in a perfect buy model in the higher time frame, so I'm not taking any fucking short, kind of short, as we even ended up inversing this 4-hour fair value gap. So I mean, everything is bullish, everything, there's nothing bearish in here. So if you take any short, I mean, if it's a scalp, I mean, okay, but a long-term short, as you can see, you will get fucked in here. As you can see, these shorts are just retracements to go long, as you can see. So as you can see, we ended up trading inside the range. We met this kind of range. We trade inside that 50-minute order block, inside this 30-minute fair value gap in here, also inside that 5-minute in here, which is in discount. Then we just made this V-shaped recovery, inversing both of these fair value gaps in here, 1 minute fair value gaps. So this is where I entered in here, targeting these accumulation hikes. As you can see, you can also target this unfilled 30-minute fair value gap in here. So this is a trade. I took partials at 10 a.m. open, as we are expanding like crazy. So I took half position in here, then we just rip through these accumulation highs, reaching that 30-minute fair value gap 3. And yes, that's the trade. I mean, we are using a continuation buy model. As you can see in the day, we just made higher hikes and lower lows, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So that's a perfect example of a continuation day. So yeah, that's my trade recap. See you tomorrow, guys.